Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add funds to your Steam wallet using Paysafecard. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select View My Wallet. This will take you directly to your Steam wallet page where you can manage your funds and see your current balance. On your wallet page, you'll notice several fixed or predefined amounts that Steam offers for quick top-ups. These preset amounts are designed to make the process faster, but you have the flexibility to choose exactly how much you want to add. Navigate through the available amounts and find the one that suits your needs. Right beside your chosen amount, you'll see an Add Funds button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with adding money to your wallet. Now, you'll need to select your payment method. Click on the drop-down menu to choose your preferred payment option. From the list that appears, select Paysafecard as your payment method. It's worth mentioning that Paysafecard availability varies by region. In my region, for example, Paysafecard isn't available as a payment option. However, if you see it listed and it's available in your country, go ahead and click on it. This is a convenient payment method that allows you to add funds without linking a credit card or bank account directly to your Steam account. After selecting Paysafecard, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This typically includes your Paysafecard PIN code, which you would have received when you purchased your Paysafecard voucher. Enter these details carefully to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Once you've entered all the required information, click the Continue button to finalize the process. Steam will then process your payment and add the funds to your wallet within moments. And that's it. You've successfully added funds to your Steam wallet using Paysafecard, giving you the freedom to purchase games, downloadable content, and other items from the Steam store. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.